What's up, guys? I'm showing you this secret website where you can create your Grok videos for free. And one crazy advantage of this particular website is that once you sign up, you are going to be given a massive credit of 2,500 credits to use in your video generation. And that's not all. I'm going to be showing you the exact way to go about it to get the 2,500 credits in this particular video, and how you can continue having more credits to use on this particular platform. So I'll be showing you all this in this particular video. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
This is the website we are going to be using for this particular tutorial. I'll be pinning the link to this website in the comment section, so it will ensure you check it out. So once you're here on this particular website, please just rush into things. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to go about it to gain your free credits. So what you need to do is to click on this sign up. So once you're there, it will ask you to enter your email to register. So what you just need, I'm going to just quickly enter my email so that we can proceed. So once you done that, you're going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to now bring you to this page. I think what it wants to just wants to know if you're using a real email address, or I don't know what's about the reason why they are doing that. So what you're going to do after doing it, I will just, instead of me proceeding to doing all of these and that, so I'll just simply do, you can try other, probably I won't try temp mail on it, but you can try it out. So what I'm going to now do is I'll just quickly use sign up with Google. Since I have it here, I'll just sign up with Google to make things easier. There from there, once I'm done, we'll proceed. I've signed into my account, so it brought me to an interface like this. So what you just need to do is, where did you hear about, or just fill in all this your choice. So I'll just say from a friend, what type of work do you do? Let me just say this, then it's going to bring you to your interface. So once you're here, the next thing you can do, you can just start creating your work. Now, if many of you will be like asking me, how do I get my free credits, the credits to do my project, to do my work? So let me share, just be patient. I will show you where to get your credit. Now, what you're going to do, just click on this new project. Just click on new project to start working. Just click on new project. It will take you to another interface. So once you're here, you can see it's telling you to upgrade to get 20%. Just ignore all those stuff. You can even just remove it off if you don't want to see it. Now, here is the gist here. Now, if you check up here now, you're going to see you have 2,500 credits. Isn't it great? So now, for signing up to this particular website, they are going to give you 2,500 credits straight up for you to use and do your generations. And with this 2,500 credits, you can generate lots of videos with it. That's just the truth there. If you know how to minimize your credits very well, you can generate lots with this particular credits they give to you. So now what you're going to now do is now you can see here we have what you like to create. Now what you're going to just do, you can just impute something here directly, but you can see when you check on this plus icon, this node, now you can add any node to your listen. So now I want to create, you can see we have text, we have images, we have videos, we have audio. So you can do all this on this particular website. This website is really packed. So now what you're going to do, if you want to, for this tutorial, we're going to be focusing on, let's say let me first of all start with an image. Let me try to see if I can generate, if this tool can generate for me an image. So what you just click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to bring it here. So from here you can zoom. Let me make it 100%. So you can, let me still reduce it to, let's say 50% now. Let me try to somewhat a little so that you see. Now what you're going to, if you notice, you can move this to anywhere you want. You can move it to anywhere you want to place it. Now on this side, what you're going to do, you're going to describe what you want to generate. So you describe it in here. So now what I'm going to now do is to just paste in my prompt here. All right, I've pasted in my prompt. So what you're going to do, you can see on the side, you're going to see the model you want. You can decide to choose any model. Whether to use ChatGPT to generate Nano Banana, or this, so it's left for you, anyone you want to make use of. So now what I'm going to be, let's say for this, I'm going to, because for each of them you will see a cost. For now, if I'm to use Nano Banana, it's going to cost me 180 credits. I'm going to use this, going to cost me 4. Then for this, is going to cost me this. So now it depends on what you want to do. So let me just say I want to use Nano Banana for it. I'm going to just click on Nano Banana. Then I'm going to, on the aspect ratio, I'm going to leave it as this. Then the size, you can decide to change, use anyone, but I'm going to leave it as the default 2K. So once that is done, what you just need to do over here, you see, for me to run this, is going to cost me about 270 euro credits. So now let me just try something. If I should reduce this, you can see it costs, instead of 270, and now it's now costing me 180 credits. So that's just what you have to be taking note of, all these things. So if you go, the higher you go, that's why I said earlier, if you know how to utilize your tools very well, you're going to be able to use your credits to generate something better. Right here is the number of variation you want it to create for you. I'm going to leave it my as 1. So once I'm done, I'm going to just click on generate. So once I click on it, you can see it has started generating my image for me. That is for that of the image. So while the image is generating, let me just quickly go ahead to show you for that part. So now once you instead of coming over here, what you can also do is you can right click and bring anyone you want to do. So I'm going to be bringing in my image, my video, then from here I'll just drop it here. Now let's say we want to be doing, let's see from here, let's see it has generated the image for me, and you can see how super real this image is. So once you click on it, you can see you can download your image. So let me see, I downloaded the image. From here is the view full screen. You can see what it has generated from me. Super cool. And from here you can also still download the image. So you'll see the prompt to use here. And so now just this. So that's for the image. Now for the video, now you can see from here you can select which of the model you want to use. You can see you can use your tree for here on this platform. You can use Sidens on this platform, and you can also use Grok Imagine on this particular platform. So now for this, I'm going to be first of all let me try Grok Imagine and see. If you can see, for Grok Imagine, it's going to cost me about 84 credits, while on this Students costs 360, and for VL3 it costs this. So now I'm going to be using my Grok Imagine. So I'm selecting Grok Imagine for this, and then once you do this, now you will notice that, let me just adjust this a little, keep this somewhere here and bring this so that I'll be able to. Now on this side, you'll notice that this is, now we have to bring this is, so you're using Grok. You notice by the time I click here, instead of, you can, under generation settings, you can also see them here. You can also see them here, but let me, if you can also do here, you see the settings. Now what do you want? How do you want it? I want it to be this. So you select your aspect ratio you want. If you want by this, let's see, it's changing over here. That's why I said it's designed to. So let me leave it as 16:9. Now from here, let me say I want to use this particular image. All right, I forgot to tell you something. Now if you check on this, now you'll notice that there's no option for me to bring in my image. Now this is basically if you want to use normal text to video. This is where you just enter your prompts here and click on generate. I can proceed with that, but this time around I want to make use of my image, to the image I just generated. So now what you just do, you can see when you come over here, you see what I selected was for text to image, text to video. So I hope you understand now. So now if you want to do image to video, you are going to select this. So you switch to this, then you select your Grok. I hope you understand. And you can see there are other models you can also try out here on this particular platform. There are other models, but now I'm going to, on text, I'm going to select Grok. Now you can see there's no option for image. Now how do I now bring in my image? How do I do it? That's just right click and you bring in upload. Then you bring in the image and click on this, so you can see how it is. So I can just adjust this. You can bring the image and drop it somewhere, yeah, or you can even drop it up at any side. Just then from here, you now click on this arrow and just join it with this. That is just what you need to do. So now you've linked the image to Grok. So now from here now, I think we're done with all these other settings. All these other settings we're done. We are done with all the settings. So then what you can just do is to, okay, 7. Let's now see something here. I see it's costing me, total cost is costing me 840 credits for this. So what you can do, since I just done it, this is just, you can, I don't want to generate as long as 10 minutes, 10 seconds video. What you can just do, you can select a lower duration. So let me just say I want to select 5 seconds for this. You can see when I select 5 seconds, you can see it's now costing me 4 something. Now on this, let's say I'm going to be generating with this. You can see it reduces to 300 now. So that's just how if you try, as I say, if you take your this very well, you can use less resources for it. Now let's now say after I'm done, I'm going to now click on generate. I think I'm okay with this since it's just for tutorial sake. I don't have to waste all my units. So once I'm done, I'm just going to click on, okay, sorry, I forgot to add the prompt. That's why it's bringing the error. So I'm going to just still use the same prompts. Remember I used there. It's not so that's the same prompt I used to generate. That's what I just added. Yeah. So since I already set the aspect ratio here, there's no need to. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on generate, and you can see it's generating the video for me for that using Grok. So now the same thing we are going to do. This time around, I'm going to try another different prompt. So I'm going to now click on add new video. That's still video. I'm going to now on the video. I'm going to come to the model and select. Is going. I will use making use of text to video. Okay, let me say for this I'm using text to video. So now it just generates. So I'm going to be making use of Grok still. So now one from here, I'm going to now come to here and enter my prompts. Let me just shift this somewhere. Let's see that's finish generating what's the video. You can see what it generated. Superb, isn't it? This is lovely. So I'll be playing the video audio so that you video at the end of this particular video, so that you'll be able to listen and see how it looks like. To get off the audio, you can see this looks like more of a conversational dialogue kind of video. So I'll be showing you how everything is. So once you're okay with the video, what you can just do, you can see by the time you click on it, you'll be seeing download. So you just click on download and it's going to start downloading your video for you. So now for this other one, remember I said I'm going to be using a different prompt. Let me just bring in my prompt. Alright, you can see I've added my prompt. So here's my prompt. Now what I'm going to now do is to go to here and set my aspect ratio. I think I'm already, you can click on it. Let's say from here you can set, you can see from here if I'm to generate, it's going to cost me 8 the same. So I'm going to just do the same thing I did for the other one so that my credit becomes lesser. So I'm going to use 5 for this. This other one, I think I use something like 6 or so. And you can see I'm not using around 300 credits for this same resolution. Let me see if I should use, I don't know if, okay, I think it's the same. So let me just maintain so you can see this is it. Once I'm done doing all this setting, all of this, what I'm going to now do is just to click on generate. So why I'm going to wait for it to generate, and well, I'm going to show you what the result it generated. Alright, you can see it's done generating the video for me, and you can see what it produced. You can see this is, let me adjust this a little. You can see what it produced here is really super okay for me. Just see, look at the quality, look at the detail of everything. So let me just download all this and I will play it at the end of the video so that you see how it looks like. So you can see this is just how you can use this particular website and generate your videos for free. You can see I've been able to generate 1 image, 2 videos, and I still have about 1,700 and something credits still remaining. Let me just quickly play the videos so that you see what it looks like.
You caused this storm.
I never meant for this.
It's too late.
So you can see from what you just watched now, you can see that the videos are still, even with the low quality, as in even with the 480p I selected, the quality is still very sharp. So you can see how I've been able to utilize this great. So you can keep on creating your videos using Grok, using this particular design. And if you once you've exhausted your 2,500 credits, what you can simply just do is just to use another email and sign up to the website and claim on get another 2,500 credits. This particular website, I think they're new, and for now they're allowing users to test their platform for free. So that's just it. So you can make use of this. They are 250 credits, 2,500 credits, and start generating your videos. So guys, I want you to try out. I just came across this particular platform and I said I should share it with you guys. So I want you to try it out and let me know your experiences in the comment section. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.